cooking a vegetarian dish, aloo, palak, methi. This is a palak, which is spinach. Aloo is a potato. This is one tomato actually. So methi is right here. Fenugreek, which is a dry, suki methi. I left in the water a little bit, and I took out now just to take off all the dust. This is cinnamon stick, cumin seed, salt, turmeric powder, haldi, red chili powder, surak mirch, and here's a garlic, which is lesson, onion, chopped onion, which is a pyaz, and this is a ginger paste. And these are the stuff, and I'm going to add this water a little bit, and this is going to go right here, and then all the entire bag of spinach, which is palak, and this basically 1 cup of water. Then I'm adding everything. I'm going to keep everything simple and easy to cook. Now I'm going to go with full flame or fire, whatever. So here we'll start cooking. When first boil comes, then I'm going to bring it to slow flame to cook like it 30 to 35, maybe 25 to 35 in between. When potato will be tender, I will turn off, and I'm going to add a little bit oil, like almost 3 tablespoons of oil. People can use ghee or many other things they can use.